Please sit straight. Your body should be comfortable. Straighten your back. Legs and arms cannot be crossed. Turn your palms to the sky so that they look at the sky, and put your hands on your knees. Listen to yourself. Let go of all thoughts and worries of today. We start meditation. Listen to my voice and follow it. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths and exhale. Then we breathe calmly. Direct your attention to the area of the lower abdomen, the area of the genitals, and the coccyx. This is where the Swadhishthana Chakra is located. It has an orange color. We inhale and feel how a ray of orange energy begins to fill our Swadhisthana. You may begin to feel a pleasant warmth in the coccyx and genital area. This is our center of sexual pleasure and pleasure in general. We continue to breathe and fill our Swadhisthana with the energy of life. Now, concentrating on the chakra, repeat after me. I am here and now. I am here and now. I accept my sexuality and sex into my life. I accept my sexuality and sex into my life. Sexual energy heals and fills me. Sexual energy heals and fills me. Sex is pleasure for my body. Sex is pleasure for my body. My body below the belly is filling with pure life energy. My body below the belly is filling with pure life energy. I love my body. I love my body. Continue. Dear friend, remember that to heal and feel Swadhishthana, you need to watch all 7 videos of this meditation course 2 times. Remember that changes will definitely happen. The main thing is trust in the process and faith in yourself.